Welcome students. Today we are going to learn third part of science chapter 2, that is acid, base and salt. Let's start the topic. First, reaction of metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with acids. Means what happens when acid reacts with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. Let's see this example. When acid reacts with metal carbonate and metal hydrocarbonate, then it gives salt, carbon dioxide and waters are removed. And it can understand by these examples. See, first acid means hydrochloric acids, means HCl, metal carbonate means here Na2CO3 means sodium carbonates. When sodium carbonate, next acid can react metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonates, it gives salt, but bases do not react with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. In acid cases, both condition carbon dioxide gas are released. How this is happened? We are going to understand by this by an activity. Let's see this activity. It is testing of carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide can be tested by passing it through lime water, means where in lime water when CO2 gas is passed, then CaCO3 means calcium carbonate and water is obtained. Here lime water means calcium hydroxide. When CO2 gas is passed through lime water, then calcium carbonate is obtained along with water. When carbon dioxide is passed through calcium carbonate, then CaHCO3 means it is calcium hydrocarbonates are formed and it is colorless like water. When carbon dioxide is passed through calcium carbonate, then CaHCO3 means it is calcium hydrocarbonates are formed and it is colorless like water. Next come to reaction of acid and bases with each other. Means when acid reacts with base, then what is this product? When acid reacts with base, then salt is formed along with water. Here you can see examples. Acid means HCl, this is hydrochloric acid. Base means NaOH, this is sodium hydroxide. When HCl reacts with NaOH, then NaCl, this is salt. NaCl along with water is formed. It is the reaction of both acid and base cases. Both in this reaction salts are obtained along with water. Next reaction is neutralization reaction. When an acid and base reacts to form water and salt, this is called neutralization reaction. Means this reaction, what happened? Acid and base both react and form water and salt. This reaction is called neutralization reaction and it involves H plus and OH minus ions to generate water. You know, when water dissociated, then H plus and OH minus ions are formed. This is called neutralization reaction. It is happened. Next comes to reaction of metallic oxides with acids. Means what happens when acid reacts with metallic oxides? You know, metallic oxides are basic in nature. Means here you can see example. When acid reacts with metallic oxides like calcium oxides, magnesium oxides, then salt is formed along with water.